the best part is, you will think like he is mad, but he himself says that he is mad. So you don't have to say it. So every time he starts, he's like, I know you won't believe it. Because I couldn't. I was at the same spot as you are. I was also like from the outside seeing like, how is this possible? So he met this woman in Samadhi, right? And he was like, okay, I felt it. It was real. She was in Samadhi. And then she started teaching him like more stuff. But look at what he is saying. Like, if you see one of his videos, which is titled, Who Am I? His name is Ram Das. I think Ram Das is the name he got in while he was in temple in India. So I think they gave him some name. But he's a very nice guy. I mean, yeah, he was bound to be like reached there, because anyone who is nice from the heart, he or she will reach there. And this who am I, when he answers it, it mirrors like Krishnamurti so much. Krishnamurti uses some of the more abstract words, but it's very similar in tone, very similar in nature. But Krishnamurti is more famous than this guy, because his story is more weird, right? Because nobody will believe, right? Okay, you went to this Baba, you become a guru, then you prayed to him, and then all of this happened to you. So this story, basically, people cannot write in like popular newspapers because it will feel fictional. But Krishnamurti's story you can, because he talks to scientists also. So J. Krishnamurti, like Jiddu Krishnamurti, right? He is a very famous philosopher in a sense. And yeah, that guy also, when he answers something, like, look at his answers on like what is meditation, or look at his answers on like what is. So he answers like thoughts very nicely, like how thinking happens. Very intellectual. But this Ramdas guy is the same guy, Krishnamurti, in a simple manner. So it's like Krishnamurti repackaged, put some like spices of like love. So this guy is very genuine, very loving. He is so honest about his entire experience. He's like, okay, and he like make people laugh and everything. Very nice. And for Indian people, right, who are watching, now look at this guy. All of you aspire to be in USA, in Canada, Australia, like we want to live like white people. He had all of that. He was a USA citizen, okay? He had that white skin, which is like preferred in the world. Still, what was he doing? He was sitting with some guru in India. Doing what? Because if you really want to find happiness, if you really want to find peacefulness in your life, you will understand what is happening in this world. And if Indian people say you the same thing, and you will be like, oh, I don't, okay, I mean, you're fine in your also position, because there are so many fake people also, right? Crammers. So who crammed the answer, and then they just keep cramming. So Kabir, somebody like crammed all of what he's written. That doesn't mean anything. Even if you understand one of his line, you are done. That's all you need. All this cramming is like not useful. So yeah, there is skepticism. I understand. There, people have done a lot of bad things in the name of all of this spiritualism and everywhere in the world. Look at the Christianity. It's like the priests are like pedophile. Come on, can you even think like that? Same way in India, these like so-called leaders, they are like rapists and everything.